Hello, people. Welcome to the premiere episode of Fuel That Fire. Now, I have been thinking of launching my YouTube channel for quite some time now, and I thought, what better day than to do it on my birthday? Yes, I am big on numbers. On Fuel That Fire, you can actually fuel that fire, that urge to become a better version of ourselves, to see constant improvement and not be stagnant. But for that to happen, we do need certain amount of guidance. So that's exactly what I'm here for, to help you and make your way. Now let's dive into the type of content you'll find here on Fuel That Fire. So there will be a lot of educational content, then there will be book reviews which will help you grow both in personal life and in your career. Also, I will be talking about different career tracks that you can take up and make a sound decision about what it is that interests you. This world is so full of infinite possibilities, and I invite all of you to come and explore them with me. So stay tuned for a lot of good content that's coming your way, and do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, ciao.